Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off the active status on TikTok. So let's get started. Begin by opening your TikTok application. Then tap on Profile. Now tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on Settings and Privacy option. Then tap on Privacy option. Now disable Active Status option. And this is how you can turn off the active status on TikTok. Thanks for watching Online Help Guide. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.